Oiro, New York, Bendigedig, Hapus, Hwyl, Caredig, Doniol, Pent, Meddorga,
Basically, I got when you put the ink down, I used the roller to roll it out. And then when I poured it, I tried to be as careful as I could. And most of the time, I probably got my hands in the ink while drawing it, and I cut out. And I guess that's how I did it.
And what do you think? What do you think of the picture you've made?
I find it I'm really impressed with it. Usually I'm not very good at drawing people, and I'm just really impressed with it. I really like it. It's my first time doing this, and I just really enjoyed it.